Hi everyone, it's Max from She Knows Digital, your digest of online marketing tips and digital hacks to make your business skyrocket in the coming months. Today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful email signature. The reason for this video is that I actually tried to do it today on my own, and I did it, but it took me such a long time because there was so little information online how to do it right. Actually, I have to figure this out by myself. It worked really well, and here's the result. So I'm sharing the knowledge of what I've learned. Okay, so this signature is built from 3 different elements. We have the logo, or your photo, profile photo. You have the information with them with links to your social network accounts, and a little bit of motto, which I always send in my signature, which really shows that I'm passionate about what I do. Okay, so how to make it happen? So first of all, we would have to go to Google Drive and create a doc file. So let's do it. Go to Google first, or go directly to Drive and go to the Drive. You can of course use also Microsoft Word for this, but I'm using Google Drive Docs because everyone has access to it, so why not to make it more universal? Okay, and let's create a new document file. I'm sorry for the internet, it's very slow today. Okay, and let's name this file Gmail signature. Okay. The most basic thing which you have to do is actually insert a table. This table has to be built from 2 rows and 2 columns. So very easy. Okay. In this cell we'll have the logo or the image. In this cell we have the information and social button, and if we merge this one, we will have the motto below the signature. In order to match those 2 cells, you need to highlight them both. So just hold the click left button on the mouse, and with the right click, click on merge cells. Go to Google first, or go directly to Drive and go to the Drive. You can of course use also Microsoft Word for this, but I'm using Google Drive Docs because everyone has access to it, so why not to make it more universal? Okay, and let's create a new document file. I'm sorry for the internet, it's very slow today. Okay, and let's name this file Gmail signature. Okay. The most basic thing which you have to do is actually insert a table. This table has to be built from 2 rows and 2 columns. So very easy. Okay. In this cell we'll have the logo or the image. In this cell we have the information and social button, and if we merge this one, we will have the motto below the signature. In order to match those 2 cells, you need to highlight them both. So just hold the click left button on the mouse, and with the right click, click on merge cells. Great. Now we need to add the image. So how to add the image? And to be honest, this part is the most difficult, but I will show you how to do it. I'm sure there is your logo, or there are your images on the internet. So normally what I do, I just go on the internet and I search for my name, and I look the image which I like. I really like this one, so I want to view the image. So do the same with your image. If you want to make it round, this is literally the steps to go. So I don't have the round option of my image. So in order to make it round, I'm actually coding it. So don't worry, it's very easy to do it. Right click on the image and do inspect element. This is available in Chrome and in Firefox. and I think actually in Internet Explorer as well, but I think it's more complicated with Internet Explorer. And here, just click and type border hyphen radius and dots, and type 50% and press enter. Perfect. Now let's do padding. Write padding dots and just type 20 pixels. Perfect. Don't refresh the browser. Now what we want to do, we just want to take a screenshot of this image. To do the screenshot on Windows, use the snipping tool. To do a screenshot on Mac, just press Shift Command and 4, and you'll be able to grab the screenshot very easily. Okay, that should be good. And in my case, it's saved on the desktop. Now go to Google Photos and you have to upload the image to an album which will be available to everyone. So what you have to do is upload the image from your desktop or wherever you saved it. This is mine. And when it stops uploading, so now it's ready, add it to shared album. Create new shared album. Name it, I don't know, signature, Gmail 2016, and press enter, and this is done. So this album is available to everyone, everyone can view it. Okay, now when it's done, let's go back to your doc file. Okay, let's go to insert and choose image. Click on your albums, and here is my signature Gmail 2016 album. Click on it, choose the image, and click select. And the photo is beautifully inserted to your signature. Okay, so you can just adjust it to the size you need, and you can slightly move the table. In the right column, we are going to type the information we want to share via email in our signature. So for me, I already saved my contact details. Sorry, it's a fake phone number here for this tutorial. And of course, what is missing, first of all, it doesn't look beautiful. Secondly, it's missing the social icons, but let's first make it beautiful. So what I normally do, I press Ctrl A, save everything, and I choose font which is available for everyone. And this font is, for example, Georgia. So I choose Georgia. Okay, now let's make it a little bit prettier. First of all, I'll change this one to a bit larger letters. I'll change this to italic. This is, of course, a link. And I will change the link to my favorite color. One of favorite colors. Pink is my favorite color. And this is this should be a link to my latest post, which is actually this one, and I'm going to straight away link it as well. Okay, and here let's write a motto. Let's make it italic as well, and let's change the color of this one as well to the pink, so it looks pretty. Okay, looks like we are done. Now let's add social icons to the signature. In order to do that, we need social icons themselves to add to the signature. So where to find them? I use softicons.com. You can find the link below this video as well, this tutorial, which I literally copy and paste here. Okay, and this is my favorite set, which I use quite often. This set is free, and you can use whatever you want. You can see commercial usage is also allowed. We are going to use 4 icons, which is Facebook icon. I click and I open them in separate tabs just for information. So with control. I open Instagram icon, linked icon, and Twitter icon. Okay, now when the icons are open in different tabs, I'm going to download each of them to my desktop and then upload to Google Photos album, the one which we previously created for signature, Gmail signature. Okay, so I just click on each of these and I'm saving it. Just by clicking, you save it to your desktop. It automatically saves. Okay, now let's go back to your Google Photos. And when we have them, this is the album which we have. Let's close this. Let's go back to Google Photos and let's upload those icons to this album again. Okay, so here are the icons. I think I'm missing, yes, Twitter, which is this one. And let's upload them. They're uploaded very quickly. Let's add them to the shared album, which is the signature Gmail 2016 we already created today. And voila, we've got it. It's uploaded. Okay, so now let's go back to the doc file and let's add those icons to our signature. Insert, image, and you see already they are uploaded here. And every single one you have to select, make it smaller, click next to it, maybe click space, and again insert the next one and do the same with each of them. I know it's a little bit boring, but this is the best way to do it, I think. Okay, and the last one, which is the Instagram. Oops, not this one, Instagram. Let's make them a little bigger, the last two, because they are slightly smaller than the LinkedIn one. Or maybe I'll make smaller this one. Okay, I think this works. Yeah. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to link each of those icons to our profiles. So let's choose link. And now what I have to do is just go to Google and search for my links, social links. And you do the same with each of them. And here I have She Knows Digital. Instagram. Okay. Okay, now when I've done it, I actually realized that I uploaded the wrong icon. So they are exactly not the same as the one which I have in the original signature, but the ones which you downloaded and uploaded to Gmail are definitely the same which I have in the original signature, so that shouldn't be a problem. Okay, the next step is to make this border invisible. To do that, you have to select the entire table, go to the border width and click 0. You see we don't have a border, but what we would like to do, we would like to have a line here. To do that, we have to select a border of this cell. So now it's selected, don't click anything else, and go to the border width and choose 1.5 pixels. And let's set up the color of it to the same color you had the name. So let's say that was for me the custom color, which is this one. And let's see. Here we go, the signature is almost done. Let's only prettify this a little bit more. Let's select this text and let's slightly move it to the right so it's not so near to the border. So let's make it almost the same distance as the picture is from the border. Okay, now the final step, we need to transfer the signature to your Gmail account. In order to do that, just make sure that you really select everything. I think you can do Ctrl-A and then copy this content. Go to your Gmail, click on the settings icon, choose settings, and in the general tab, if you go down, there is place for your signature. As you can see, I have already the signature here, so I will make changes, but I won't save them. You would have to save them. So what you do is that click here, Ctrl-A, and press delete, so to delete everything what you have there, and then use Ctrl-V and paste your signature. And to make changes, save them here. You save changes, so now when you click on Compose, the signature should be automatically added to your email. And that's it. You've done it. Well done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm Max from SheKnowsDigital.com. Definitely go to my website and download your copy of SEO ebook. Apparently it's really good. This is the feedback of the readers. And please follow me on different social networks. You can find the links to Twitter, to Instagram, to Facebook, and also LinkedIn below this video.